Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the fender flare parking light bulb on your YJ. But before I get into this, remember if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of great content coming out. And if you have any comments, leave us a comment. And if it's something with your YJ, leave us a comment about your YJ. I have about over 30 years of automotive experience in general, so throw it out there. I'll reply back to you, try to help you out a little bit. So let's get rolling on this, and I'll show you what's involved with it. What you have to do is you have to reach up and under, and right here is where the parking light screws in. It's right here. It twists into place. So you have to twist that. So you just reach under like this, twist and slide out. So to get the parking light bulb out, it should pull right out, but it can be a little stubborn sometimes. So if that's the case, disconnect the battery and then use like a small little screwdriver, like a tiny one, and you might have to try to pry the bulb out a little bit, and then the bulb should come right out for you. See, I bet you all said, well, what's so hard about changing a light bulb? YJ. Well, it's little tricks like this that can get you out of a lot of frustration. So to replace it, just put the bulb back in, line up the little slot. There's a little slot in there, and then push it back into place, and then poke it back through the housing up top where the fender flare is. So that's all there really is to it. Just wanted to give you guys a couple tips and tricks along the way to make it a little bit easier on you. If you have any questions, leave a comment, sub the channel, like the video if you liked it, and until then, I will see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.